What's up guys, Jonathan from TechSpace, and today we are going to see whether this Arrma Gorgon is actually a nice RC basher in its stock form. This is not brushless guys, it's still got its 550 brush motor inside, and I'm really looking forward to be able to run this and see how it does. I know I'm late to the party, I haven't been able to review it yet. I had one of the first units in the world. I think I was the first guy on YouTube to have one, and I took a couple of short videos for YouTube, and as I was bashing it at the skate park, I lost my servo saver, and I haven't been able to get another servo saver in New Zealand ever since. This week my local hobby shop contacted me and said, look Chandra, we've got a servo saver for you, and I'm like, yeah, please send it along. I got the vehicle fixed up, and now we are ready to bash. So in this video we are going to see whether this vehicle is bashable. I hope you enjoyed guys. And here is a size comparison between the new Arrma Gorgon and some of my other monster trucks that I have in my collection. So there you can see it's the X-Max, you've got the rival MT10 version 2. That's a new Gorgon obviously, and you've got a Arrma Granite version 3 just with a voltage body, and you've got a Traxxas Max version 2. So just to put some perspective on the size of it, let's take it for a rip. Oh, nice. Doesn't have all the grip in the world being two-wheel drive, but it's awesome. Oh yeah. Some little vehicle, guys. Bring it back this way. Oh, nice jump, almost cleared it. Whoa! Send it! Whoa! Jesus. Oh, what a crash. Okay, so this vehicle is obviously not as easy to control on this loose gravel. The tires does not have any foam inserts. Oh. I guess that's not how it's supposed to be. Oh, my leg. Lipo time. So the big question is, can the Arrma Gorgon bash on its stock form? That is an absolute confirmation. Cheers guys, Johnny from TechSpace. We'll see you in the next one.
Let's go. We just gotta go hard.